Samsung is gearing up to unveil the Galaxy S24 Ultra, a high-end smartphone with notable alterations in its appearance. Renowned tech insider Ice Universe has shared details about design enhancements involving the screen borders and curvature, aiming to make the phone more visually compelling. An intriguing innovation in the Galaxy S24 Ultra is the implementation of uniform-width bezels encompassing the screen. Unlike most phones with uneven bezel widths, this upcoming model will feature symmetrical borders on all four sides, creating a more balanced and aesthetically pleasing look. Ice Universe showcased comparative images revealing the improved and uniform bezels on the S24 Ultra compared to its predecessor, the S23 Ultra. Weibo bloggers have also discussed Samsung's shift in screen design among its high-end models. They observed a transition from curved screens in the S22 Ultra and S23 Ultra to flatter screens in the upcoming S24 Ultra. This intentional change appears geared towards enhancing screen durability while imparting a distinct visual identity to the phone. Enthusiasts in the tech sphere are eagerly anticipating these leaks, indicating Samsung's experimental design choices for both appearance and functionality. The standardized bezel width and the shift to a flatter screen signify a departure from the conventional Samsung design approach, potentially offering a more contemporary and ergonomic feel. Fans of Samsung devices are eagerly awaiting the official unveiling of the Galaxy S24 Ultra. The leaks and expert comparisons strongly suggest a groundbreaking shift in the appearance and functionality of high-end smartphones. The forthcoming model is poised to redefine standards in phone aesthetics and screen configurations, promising a harmonious blend of style and practicality in a novel way. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. If you enjoyed what you saw, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. Peace out.